welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys missed me as much as I missed you. If you didn't miss me, you probably don't know me. For those of you who don't already know me, I'm the lady. I'll be doing an unboxing today on a pair of shoes that I technically unboxed probably like a few months ago. It was probably around the time, actually it was around the time of my birthday. I posted a poll on Instagram trying to decide between two pairs of shoes that were on the shelf, and honestly it kept going like 50-50 the whole time. Every time I checked it was 50-50, and then sometimes it would go more towards the left, sometimes it would go more towards the right, but most of the time it was 50-50. And so we probably stood there for like 20 minutes, my family and I couldn't decide which pair to go with, and they finally decided, you know what, just go with the pair that is in the box. And honestly, I haven't seen this pair a lot on Instagram. The other pair I've seen quite a lot on Instagram. They seem to be the more popular choice, and so I've gone with something that I felt was a little bit more unique and it adds a bit more variety to my closet. This is my first pair of Louis Vuitton shoes ever, and so these shoes have stayed in the box the entire time. They've stayed in the bag that stays in the box, or the box that stays. They've stayed in the box. The bag is carrying the box that's carrying the shoes, so the shoes have stayed in the box, which has stayed in the bag. They're still in the box, okay? The box doesn't look new anymore, but they're still in the box. I wanted to unbox and share it with you guys. If you guys do enjoy this video, make sure you give me a like as well as subscribe to my channel, and tell me what your thoughts are on videos like this. Do you enjoy them? Do you want to see more videos like this? If you do, leave it in the comment section below. Yeah, if you have any more questions, let me know. Tell me what you think. And so I don't want to waste any more time. I just want to get straight into it. I did say that this bag is a few months old. So I don't want to know about the bag looking old. I don't care. I'm going to keep my stuff in this bag until the end. They're still in the bag. They're probably going to stay in the bag forever. So I've taken the box out. I put this here. This is basically what the box looks like. It has this little tag that you can pull to take the shoes out. If we take this out, it slides out sort of like a drawer. I did say that I unboxed these a few months ago, so we're doing sort of like a second, third, actually no, I don't know how many times I've worn these shoes. We're doing a whole unboxing right now on camera, so I wanna actually talk about everything I'm seeing, and I wanna share it with you guys. So first, before I take the shoes out, there are a few things in here. Obviously you have like your receipt, and you have like your shoelaces in here, which I'm going to get into, and then there's this care instructions book. So for the purpose of the video, I have put back the white laces on one of the shoes. So taking it out of the box, this is what the shoe looks like. This is what it looks like on the shelf. If I remember correctly, this is how the laces were tied. I've obviously swapped out the laces and I've tried on the black laces. Right now I have two different laces on each shoe. I have one shoe with the black laces and the other shoe with the white laces. So I have like one of each in this box over here, which I'm going to place right there. The shoe I have in my hand is called the Black Heart ankle boot. You also get the Black Heart desert boot. You get the monogram Star Trail boot. That's the one with the Louis Vuitton monogram. That one is, I think the material of it is canvas. The one that I have in my hand is a leather material, including the laces. The laces, both the black and the white laces. So you know, you do sort of have to figure it out, like in terms of how it's going to sit on your foot, and you know, maybe play with the laces a little bit until it fits your foot properly. It does have this zip on the side over here, so you're able to just zip it down and put it on. I wonder if you guys can see from the camera, but it has like one of the Louis Vuitton trademarks over there. I'm also going to show you the shoe with the black laces. This is pretty much what the black laces look like. You know, I like it more with the black laces. I feel like it makes more of a statement that I would want to make. And I mean, the white laces are beautiful too, but I prefer the black laces. One of the things that I like the most about this shoe is the fact that the tag at the back over there, this tag that you use to pull the shoe out, has this monogram print over here. I think that's pretty unique on the shoe, because I mean, you'd expect the tag to be like black like the rest of the shoe. That's the only part of the shoe where you'll find the Louis Vuitton monogram. Everywhere else is just pretty much black and white and silver. And then you have a few of these little details over here in different colors, and I feel like that makes the shoe stand out. And obviously I have to talk about the lug sole on the shoes. I have a video that I posted quite a while ago actually, talking about my lug sole shoe collection, and I guess I could add these to my lug sole shoes. It has this really cool detail, gives it quite a bit of an edge. And also another reason why I decided to go with this shoe over the Star Trail ones that I saw on the shelf is the fact that the ankle part of the shoe is a bit longer. So I love how long it is and how it elongates the legs, and just makes them look really good. Another one of the details on the shoes is this white stitching you have over here. This sort of reminds me of a pair of Doc Martens, which I reviewed not so long ago. You guys can check out the video. I'll put it in the description box below. And for those of you who are going from this video to those videos, make sure you let me know you come from this video. The zip itself is also black, and the zip tag is black with some silver detailing on it. So in terms of wearing the shoes and just how comfortable they are, honestly, these shoes are really not that uncomfortable at all. It might be because it sits so well around the ankle, but they're not that uncomfortable, and they might be a little heavy holding them. They might be a little bit heavy holding them, but actually wearing the shoes, they're not that heavy at all. They're pretty comfortable to walk in. They don't feel too heavy on the foot, and they feel quite snug on the foot. I've worn the shoes a few times, but as you can tell, I haven't worn them a whole lot. The soles really aren't that worn out at all. But yes, I have worn them quite a few times, and they still feel pretty brand new. I love the quality of the shoes. I know that they're gonna last me forever, and I love how they fit on my feet. I love how they sort of mold to the shape of my foot. I love how they fit like a glove, and I love how high the ankle is, because I hate how, like, with ankle boots, a lot of the times they just end at your ankle. These ones go a little bit higher past the ankle, and it looks really elegant on the foot. Honestly, they're pretty versatile. I've tried them on with so many different kinds of outfits, and you'd think that because it has this detailing over here, it limits you in terms of the kind of outfits and the kind of styles you can go for. They're very eye-catching whenever I wear these. So that's pretty much the unboxing of these shoes. I've taken them out, I've shared them with you guys. I'm now going to be trying them on. So that's pretty much what the shoes look like on, in black as well as white laces. Very comfortable shoes, considering the fact that I hurt my toe about 2 days ago, and I don't feel any pain. There's like enough space in the toe area, and they're not too high, but they're high enough, and they sort of go in towards like the ankle area. But I did make it a little bit more loose by the laces so that I could put them on quick enough. But you're able to obviously adjust the laces so that they sit however you would like them to sit. I feel like in black they look a lot more edgy, in my opinion. For me, the lug sole is always like my weakness. That's pretty much what I think about these shoes. I'm absolutely in love with them, and if you guys would like to know any other details regarding the shoes, and if you want me to do a lookbook or some sort of how to style lug sole, ankle boot type shoes, I'd love to do them using these shoes. And yeah, if you'd like to know any other details, let me know in the comment section below. So that's pretty much what I think about these shoes. If you love these shoes as much as I do, if you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it, make sure that you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe, and let me know in the comment section below. Let's connect on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram details in the description box below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and